Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to start or stop your VTS server in Windows machine. To start, sometimes if due to machine crash or something, if your services has not kept automatic, then your machine will be, your VTS server will be down. For that, to start your VTS server, go to services, open that services. After opening that services, search for VTS, search for VTS service. So we have the VTS option here. We have VTS service option here. So for it is running state or running state now. So if it is it would have if the startup type is not automatic, even sometimes because of the some load or some system crash or something, it is not started for some reason. Use the VTS service and restart it. So now the VTS will restart again, and it will start working again. If you want to stop your VTS service to avoid your load, to avoid the CPU and memory utilizations in your machine, just stop by clicking stop your servicing. Start your service using VTS underscore VTS service. User VTS I space service is the service name where you want to start or restart the service to start and stop your VTS instances. So if you stop this, it will stop all the instances. So make sure when you're working with your VTS, whether the VTS service is up or running or not. Thanks for listening to friends.